While everyone is chasing AI startups and dropshipping, some of the most profitable businesses are the ones almost nobody talks about anymore. Everyone these days seems to be chasing the next big thing online, dropshipping, creating an AI-powered SaaS, or becoming a full-time influencer. The allure is undeniable. You see headlines about 20-year-olds making millions from their laptops. But what if I told you that while everyone's eyes are glued to their screens, a whole different class of entrepreneurs is quietly building fortunes with businesses that most people have completely forgotten about? These aren't glamorous, they don't get flashy headlines, but they generate consistent, reliable, and often substantial income, year after year, right under our noses. The reason these businesses are so often overlooked is simple. They suffer from a massive glamour bias. We're constantly bombarded with the highlight reels of online success stories, making it seem like traditional, brick-and-mortar or service-based businesses are relics of a bygone era. It's so much easier to see the success of a YouTuber with millions of subscribers than it is to see the quiet, steady cash flow of a well-run laundromat or a commercial cleaning company. But let's be crystal clear, when I say forgotten, I absolutely do not mean obsolete. These businesses are the bedrock of local economies. They solve the persistent, everyday problems that don't disappear just because a new app was launched. Now before we dive in, no business is a magic ticket to passive income. Success still hinges on solid market research, a detailed business plan, exceptional customer service, and consistent hard work. This list mixes low-cost and higher investment ideas. Find the one that aligns with your skills, your budget, and your goals for financial freedom in 2026 and beyond. First up is the self-service laundromat, a quiet moneymaker. You set up coin or card-operated washers and dryers for public use. You drive past it daily without a second thought. That's why it's overlooked. In an age of high-tech startups, a room full of washing machines feels outdated, and that's the opportunity. Demand is incredibly steady. Many renters lack in-unit laundry. Busy households and those with broken machines create a built-in weekly client base. It's non-discretionary, making revenue predictable and recession-resistant. Startup cost is medium to high, a prime location plus commercial-grade machines, great for a passive-ish operator, not set it and forget it, but not 40 hours on site. Your job: collect cash, maintain machines, keep it spotless, boost profits with wash and fold, vending, memberships, and cashless payments to attract younger customers. Challenges: infrastructure requirements, maintenance costs, theft or vandalism, and utility bills plus permits. Run well, it's a reliable, cash-flowing asset while others chase digital gold rushes. Number 2. Mobile car detailing. Classic service, extreme convenience. Not a simple wash, it's professional-grade interior and exterior restoration at the customer's home or office. Often overlooked as low-skill or saturated, but premium clients pay for meticulous work. Time-poor clients value on-site service. As cars get pricier and more advanced, owners invest in appearance and value retention. Ideal clients: luxury owners, fleets and sellers prepping cars. Startup cost is low to medium: washer, pro vacuum, buffers, specialized supplies. A van helps, but start from your car. Best for hands-on, service-minded owners. Maximize income with packages and recurring plans. Basic interior, exterior, engine bays, paint correction. High-margin ceramic coatings can command $1,000 plus. Secure fleet contracts or subscriptions for steady bookings. Challenges: weather dependence, tight scheduling to reduce drive time, and maintaining quality as you scale. Do it right and your reputation becomes your growth engine. Number 3. Pressure washing. It looks simple and seasonal, but it's a brilliant low-cost entry with real scalability. The visual impact adds curb appeal overnight. Homeowners and sellers love it. Commercial properties need clean exteriors to attract customers, and they're recurring accounts. Startup: a solid commercial washer, nozzles, hoses, safety gear, a few $1,000s plus transport. Perfect for outdoorsy, hands-on operators who love instant results. Expand into building exteriors and sidewalks. Add soft washing, roof cleaning, and sealing concrete and pavers to boost ticket size. Challenges: carry good insurance due to surface risks. Weather can derail schedules. Dial it in, and the upside is massive. You don't just stick to driveways, expand services and contracts and watch those margins shine. Number 4. Window cleaning. Easily overlooked, quietly lucrative. This is professional residential and commercial work, not just wiping panes. Clear results customers happily pay for. Commercial is the cash cow. Image matters, and clean glass is non-negotiable. Recurring contracts create predictable cash flow. Startup cost is tiny. Begin with a high-quality squeegee, bucket, scrubber, and towels. Add ladders, then water-fed poles and lifts as profits allow. Best for detail-oriented fit operators, reputation is everything. Increase ticket size by bundling gutters, exterior washing and solar panel cleaning. Challenges: safety at height, liability and seasonal dips in some regions. Margins can be, pun intended, crystal clear. Number 5. Carpet and upholstery cleaning. Often underrated due to DIY rentals. The difference in power and results is night and day. Demand is perpetual. Rentals between tenants, families, pets, and commercial hygiene needs. Customers pay to restore comfort, protect investments, and improve air quality. Startup: pro portable extractor or truck mount, a van, chemicals, and specialized tools. Higher than window cleaning, but manageable. Great for methodical, detail-oriented techs, part technician, part chemist, part magician. Sell solutions: stain protection, deodorizing, pet treatments, and emergency services. Biggest wins are recurring commercial contracts. Challenges: some stains won't budge, chemicals require care, and pricing can be tricky. Position yourself as the pro who solves the toughest problems, and you'll clean up. Number 6. Vending machines. Romanticized or dismissed. You buy a machine, stock it, place it well, and collect the revenue. Margins per snack look tiny and people think it's passive. It's not. Demand is location-driven and consistent wherever people wait or work. People pay a premium for convenience. Startup is medium, 1K, 2K for used, 5K, 10K for new high-tech, plus initial inventory. Work: restocking, inventory, scouting locations. Go cashless. Card and mobile readers can lift sales 20 to 40%. Niche down: healthy snacks in gyms, premium coffee in offices. Location contracts matter most. Challenges: vandalism, breakdowns, spoilage. Treat it like a real business, reinvest, and quietly stack cash flow. Number 7. Private ATMs. Own the machine, charge a convenience fee. Assumed obsolete in a cashless world, yet bank closures create ATM deserts. Concentrated demand remains. Cash-heavy locations still need access, and customers accept two $4 surcharges for convenience. Startup is medium, 2K, 3K for new, less for refurbished, plus vault cash, your capital inside the machine. Once installed and networked, it's among the most hands-off plays. Keep it filled and online. Scale with multiple units. Optimize surcharges to local tolerance. Challenges: physical security, anti-skimming vigilance, and safe cash handling procedures. Each transaction auto-deposits, quiet money from money. Lock in maintenance terms with hosts to keep it even more passive as you grow. Number 8. Self-storage. Secure, rentable space. Overlooked due to perceived corporate scale, but smaller entries and management plays exist. Demand spikes with life events and booms, plus small businesses use units as mini warehouses. It's nearly recession-proof with predictable monthly income and low turnover. Ground up is capital-intensive. Alternatives include buying older facilities or managing for a revenue cut. Profit levers: climate-controlled units, selling boxes, locks, and packing supplies. Top-tier security supports on-time payments. Possessions are on the line. Challenges: zoning, permits, and capital. Think long-term real estate play, not quick cash. It's one of the most stable, durable businesses out there. Number 9. Mobile locksmithing. Modern, mobile, and tech-savvy. New tech increases demand for specialists. It doesn't eliminate it. People still lock themselves out. Constant, non-negotiable demand. Costs: specialized tools, reliable vehicle, and real training. Trust is everything. Offer 24/7 and charge premiums for off hours. Go beyond residential. Rekeys for real estate, property management, and master key systems. Specialize in automotive transponder programming, fob replacement, and smart lock installs. Build brand, site, and reviews. Carry robust insurance. Expect late nights and unpredictability. For the right person, it's a high-margin trade that quite literally opens doors. Number 10. Appliance repair. Profits from the rising cost of everything. People assume it's dying, but new units are expensive and not built to last. Complex, costly appliances make repair the smart choice for homeowners and landlords. Startup, tools, diagnostics, a service vehicle, and a small parts inventory. Your garage can be your shop. Great for problem solvers who enjoy methodical troubleshooting. Scale with recurring contracts and a diagnostic fee per call. Challenges: electronics and software require continuous learning. Sourcing parts is a puzzle. Work safely with power, water, and gas. Get trained and insured. Done right, it's a forgotten goldmine in a throwaway age. Number 11. Furniture restoration. Craftsmanship meets sustainability. Cheap mass-produced furniture misses growing demand for quality, uniqueness, and eco-values. Clients restore heirlooms and elevate vintage finds into statement pieces. Startup can be low if you have space. Invest in sanders, saws, finishing tools, and supplies. Specialize to command premiums, mid-century, antique refinishing, or upholstery. Another angle: source, restore, and sell via e-commerce, boutiques, or interior designers. Challenges: accurate labor pricing, market valuation, and shipping large, delicate items. For passionate makers, it's profitable, sustainable, and creatively fulfilling. Number 12. Lawn care and landscaping. Common, invisible, and scalable. Homeowners value time and curb appeal. Businesses, office parks, apartments, and HOAs budgeted as maintenance. Demand is evergreen with predictable revenue. Entry can be a few $1,000s, perfect for outdoor-driven entrepreneurs. Real money comes when you scale teams and step into management. Beyond mowing, offer fertilization and weed control, landscape design, install, garden beds, stone patios, leaf removal, and winter snow. Stack services to turn seasonal work into year-round contracts. Scale systems, not just blades. Number 13. Pool cleaning and maintenance. Regional? Yes. Overlooked? Totally. Strong demand where pools are common, especially with rentals and vacation homes. It's recurring by design. Weekly or bi-weekly. Paid monthly. Startup is low to medium. Essential tools and chemistry. Everything fits in a small pickup. Stock common chemicals and learn pool chemistry basics. Build tight routes and deliver impeccable service. Real money is in repairs and upgrades. Use weekly visits to spot issues early. Become the go-to pool solutions company, not just a cleaner. Number 14. Gutter cleaning. Simple, unglamorous, essential. Most won't risk a tall ladder or scoop sludge. They'll pay a pro. Annual or semi-annual in many areas. Property managers treat it as preventative maintenance. Skipping it risks costly water damage, reliability, and insurance win bids. Startup cost is laughably low, perfect for a solo side hustle to scale. Bundle with pressure washing and window cleaning while you're on the ladder. Offer simple roof checks and document issues. Pitch gutter guards. Fewer cleanings for them, big install margins for you. A small safe job multiplied by volume and upsells becomes a tidy business. Number 15. Commercial cleaning. Everywhere yet invisible. Often dismissed as a race to the bottom, but that's the opening. It's an operational and compliance expense, not a luxury. Recurring contracts build stable cash flow. Startup is low to medium. Pro supplies, floor equipment, and initial hires. One office contract can be thousands monthly, then stack more offices, clinics, and retail. Add specialty services with higher margins. Your job is management and sales. Build systems and teams. Challenges, turnover, and quality control. Nail both and you build a sellable, cash-flowing asset. Number 16. Junk removal. Unglamorous, high demand. It looks dirty and hard, which is why customers gladly pay. Multiple trends create constant piles that must be removed. Startup is low to medium. Vehicle, tools, and disposal fees. Price by volume. Simple for customers, profitable for you. Pros sort every load to reduce disposal costs and create new revenue streams. Get paid for metal, donate for tax benefits, or refurbish and resell. Partner with deal flow sources to smooth demand. It's tough work, but a real six-figure business hiding in plain sight. Number 17. Local courier. When the last mile the giants struggle with. Local businesses need reliable same-day and same-hour deliveries. Startup is low to medium, a reliable vehicle and routing tools, specialized to command premiums, temperature-controlled food, secure documents, or boutique fulfillment. Target recurring contracts instead of one-offs. Maximize stops per route to boost hourly earnings. Challenges: traffic, fuel volatility, and app competitors. Be hyper-reliable in a profitable niche and own your city's most valuable delivery link. Number 18. Pet waste removal. Unglamorous, surprisingly beautiful numbers. Most won't do it themselves, they'll happily subscribe for convenience. Pet ownership is high. Families and seniors need help. HOAs and complexes need clean common areas. Startup cost is among the lowest, a few $100s plus marketing. Sell subscriptions for predictable MRR. Scale with complimentary services and one-time premium cleanups. Challenges: the stigma, bad weather, and disposal rules. Start tiny, grow recurring routes, and uncover a diamond in the rough. Number 19. Tailoring and alterations. Overshadowed by fast fashion, but resilient. Off the rack rarely fits. Weddings and formal wear need precision. High stakes, high margin. A counter trend values quality and repair over replacement. Startup is low. A solid machine and basics. A spare room can launch you. Maximize profit with wedding dress work and corporate uniform alterations. Partner with high-end boutiques for ongoing referrals. Challenges: real skill required and seasonal waves to manage. Deliver perfect fits and your reputation will stitch its own growth. Number 20. Local printing and custom signage, overlooked in a digital world. Local businesses and events constantly need physical materials. Restaurants, contractors, campaigns, and trade shows all buy locally for speed and service. Startup is medium, invest in a wide format printer, design software and space, win with design eye, strict QC, and deadline discipline. Secure recurring print runs and upsell high-margin vehicle wraps. Marry local relationships with an easy online portal. Challenges: equipment investment, color management, and competition. But speed and service win locally. So there you have it. 20 forgotten businesses quietly generating serious income in 2026. Boring often beats trendy. They solve recurring problems, create repeat customers, often have low startup costs, face less local competition, and scale by adding staff or locations. Biggest mistakes: expecting instant profits, ignoring customer service, poor pricing, weak marketing, not understanding local demand, underestimating costs, failing to reinvest and trying to do it all alone. Treat it like a real business from day one. Key takeaways: consistent demand beats hype. Start with market research, obsess over customer satisfaction, build systems, reinvest, think long-term. Pick one idea that fits your skills, budget, and local market. Do your homework, write a plan, and take calculated action. Opportunities are hiding in plain sight in your own community. If you got value, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more on entrepreneurship and finance. Comment which business surprised you the most. Watch the video on screen for more ideas. Thanks again, and until next time.